we have learned what is the organizational hierarchy of income tax department, what is their jurisdiction. Today we will learn what is their role, what exactly they do. So first comes the CBDT again, CBDT, which is Central Board of Direct Taxes. It is not a post, it is a department, it is a unit which makes the policy, which administers everything. And then comes the Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax. He supervises the multiple states. Thereafter comes the Chief Commissioner of Income Tax. They heads the administration department of each individual state upon which they are working. And then comes the Income Tax Commissionerate. They oversees the assessments. They deal with the appeals of all the assessees who files the appeal. And then comes the joint and additional officers, the additional officers of income tax. They look into and supervises the administration of the circle under the jurisdiction over which they are authorized. Lastly, there comes the income tax officer and assessing officer. They manages and controls all the recoveries, and they deal with the direct assessment of the each individual assessees. Thank you.